Today I'm going to show you how you can rename the Mackie. I'm right now in the car with ignition on to make sure that I have a good connection with the car. Once I open the app, I press on the bottom vehicle. Once you're in vehicle, you have to scroll down until where it shows you glove box and vehicle details. Once you're in the vehicle details, you see in the top right corner edit. Then you can type whatever name you want. I just wanted the little e gone, so I have to minimize the keyboard so I can save it. I hit save. It's loading. And it is renamed. Just make sure you have a proper connection. I tried it before with the car off, sitting next to the car. It wouldn't take over the setting. Now I'm in the car with ignition on.